Welcome back, everyone. This is Resourceful Marcus. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. So this video here, just gonna give you a little rundown. So this piece of crap beater mower here that I got a couple of weeks ago, I put a different coil on her, and then I replaced the fuel line here, and I put this filter. So this little filter here, I think it's making it more stubborn to start this pony mount. So what I did here is I opened up the cap and I kind of fiddled around, finagled around here just to try to get some of the air out of there. See if that'll get her to fire over a little easier. And I'm going to take this, I put a different spark plug in here. Good old NGKs. Just a moment here, I gotta grab my tools. It's swinging around this way so you can see I'm grabbing my tools here. Alright, I'm gonna take this plug back out. I'm gonna check the clearance on her. Check the clearance on her. Should be between 28 and 30 thousandths of an inch gap on her. It's probably set at that already, but I'm going to check it anyways just to see. Just for shits and giggles, just because I put the new plug in the last time. It was kind of stubborn to fire this thing over. But I think it's due to how I got that inline fuel filter there, making it a little more stubborn. She's burning nice. She's burning nice and gray at the tip here. Nice gray color on the tip. You can see that. Perfect lean burn on this baby. But let's check the gap here. Like I say, should be 30 thou. Got my feeler gauges here. Pop out the 30 thou and we'll go from there. Let's see here. Give me a moment, I'm kind of blind here. Here's my 30 thou right there, 30 thousandths of an inch. Let's see here what we got. Yeah, she's gapped the right way. Alright. Now we're gonna see if this pony will fire over a little easier this time. But yeah, as you can see, she's burning very nice. That gray color there on the end of the electrode, beautiful. Couldn't ask for any better mixture with this carburetor I put on here last year. Just a carburetor kit I threw on her from the Amazonian. Anyways, let's see if we can get her to fire over a little easier. See what happens. Make sure this is on the right way. Alright, she snapped on there good. Just give me a sec here, I'm going to pause the video for a sec. Alright, let's see if we can get her to fire over a little easier here. See what happens here. Anyways, this inline filter might be causing it to be a pain in the rear end to fire over a little easier. We'll see, we'll give her hell. Get her going. This is just a mower I use on the road and in the alley. See what happens here. How hard it's going to start this time. See what happens. It'll start a little easier. We'll find out. Fire over now. Having a harder time to pick up the gas because it is inline filter, I believe.
Hi, brother.
Hello.
How are you doing? Good for you?
Good, how are you?
That's good. You want me to move it?
Yeah, you're good, brother.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay. Can I help you?
No worries. No, you know what it is? Because I can see how I put that filter, so now it's not going to start easy.
Yeah. One more.
This is in the beef bowl, brother. I found this. Okay?
Let me help you.
It'll start it.
Let me help you a little bit.
It's okay, don't worry.
You sure?
Yep. Alright, so my neighbor is helping me there from the auto shop getting it fired over. So there's the conclusion that if you buy the carb kit on Amazon or anywhere else and you put this inline filter in there, it's just going to be a little harder to start your Honda GCV 160. You're going to have to pull her a few more times. That's if you decide to put that inline filter with the carb kit, the rebuild carb kits here that come. Okay, where you bolt her on. Just wanted to throw that out there. Other than that, the mower will run the same as it always does. It's just going to be a little bit harder to start. You give her a few more pulls and she'll pull the gas through your inline filter there. Clear inline filter and you'll be good to go. Alright? Okay, resourceful Marcus.